Hello guys, welcome to the new. We have right here example to the Euro USD to the Fibonacci retracement. What is this? The Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. When we look the market right here, let's look to the 5 minutes. When we have uptrend like this, we look at the higher highs and the higher low. We have right here a big structure. Right here we have a trend line. How we look the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement we look at when we look right here, like there. We have an example right here. Let's look at right here. We go here. Where's the mouse? Here, right here. Look. Let's look to the Fibonacci retracement, and we touch the higher of structure and the lower of this structure. When we look at this higher and lower of the structure right here, let's look at higher and the lower of the structure right here. We have so many number right here. We have 2.618, we have 1.618, we have 1, we have 0, we have many number. What we look, we need to number. This number is right here. Let's look at right here. This number is the 0.786 and the 0.618, and this golden zone, we talk it the golden zone like this. This is the golden zone right here in the Fibonacci retracement. This is a golden zone. This zone is so many need to compare a very confirmation to buy or sell like this. I have right here. Let's look to the higher to lower the structure. We have this golden zone, half touch, three tap right here, and this 3 tap we have a very bearish trend right here. We look at right here. How to use this Fibonacci retracement? When we look right here, select the Fibonacci retracement. In this zone, we have a 3 tap. And this 3 tap we have right here. We can make a stop loss. He can touch and we can make. We have a short position right here. We make the stop loss the eye of this Fibonacci retracement, and the target right here. We go to right here and we look right here, not the eye, not the low. We look to the medium right here. We have it right here, and we look 38 bars, and we have a 3-hour 10, and we have right here 11.9, and this 11.9, let's do it right here. Have the high and the low, and go to the 11.9 right here. 1 minute. 11.9. Yeah, when we look in the 11.9, we touch the 2.5 of risk reward right here, and we have win the trade. This is in a bearish trend. Let's look at to the bullish trend. When we look right here in a bullish trend, we have the RI right here. 1 minute, guys. Very good example. Right here we have the RI and we have the RLO. We have a BOS right here. We have a 3 BOS. We have a 1 right here. We have a 1 right here. We have a 1 right here. And we have a 1 right here. Because this, we have an uptrend. When we look, we touch in the Fibonacci of bullish, not a bearish, of a bullish, we go to the Fibonacci retracement and we look the higher low of the structure to the higher high of this structure right here. When we look, we have right here, this structure has touched this golden zone right here. Have touched this golden zone right here, and we name it a golden zone. A golden zone right here. When he's touched a golden zone right here, we have a very bullish candlestick, and we have an uptrend right here. How we touch, how we made my stop loss and my target. We go to the long position and we place the target right here at the 3 confirmation of this candle right here, and we have a higher high of this BOS right here and this BOS, and we made stop loss right the higher low right here, and we have right here a 2.1 risk reward right here, and we have a win the trade with a Fibonacci retracement. And let's go to another example. Let's look right here. We have right here. No, this is doesn't have this Fibonacci. Let's look to the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, yeah, we have right here. Right here, we have a bullish. We have the RI right here. Right here. I think we are no. The second has been touched in the next 3 hours. Right here we have the 2 RI and we have 3 I know. The first, the second, the third, 1 right here. And this bullish retracement, we have right here a very bullish structure. What we do, let's go to the Fibonacci retracement. We go to the Fibonacci retracement and the higher low of this higher low and the higher high of this candle right here of the higher high. When we look right here, the market doesn't has been touched the golden zone. Why? You told to me, how, why now? We can't do it. This Fibonacci is not good for a good confirmation. 1 minute, guys. When we enter in this right here, 0.618 and this 0.786, we have a very good confirmation, or we enter in this 0.68, 0.618 and the 0.5, we don't have a good confirmation. Why? The market, if we place this a golden zone, if we place this a golden zone right here, if we place this a golden zone right here, if we has go to the long position, if we has the market has been, I touched the market right here, and we have the IR and the lower low of this position. The market has, he can go not of this structure. How? The market can to be a lower and they break the stop loss and you lose your money. Next, he go to the eye and touch your target But if you have right here, when we look, if you have this golden zone has been touched, you have a very good confirmation to look at and has been touched this tree. Hello guys, thank you for this watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like to where channel has been very big, good plus.